Good morning, it's me, Jimmy Aggie. So the question is that what are the basic skills required? Okay, let me read the question. What are the basic computer skills required to get a IT job? The basic computer skills are: number one, you should know how to use Office, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel, and especially if you know something new. If you know how to use Airtable, yes, Airtable is becoming like one of the essential skill in IT, which I'm seeing right now. So a lot of people are pivoting from Excel to the Airtable. You should know how to use Airtable. I'm working on my course. I'm going to launch on my I'm going to launch my course soon on Skillshare. Again, check out the links in the description box below. I'm teaching on Skillshare and Udemy. My course is coming soon. So you need Airtable, and second is at least you need some kind of basic HTML CSS knowledge. Even your job is related with hardware. And number three, you should know how to read the script. You should know some basic scripting. Scripting is very similar to coding, but you don't have to make a function. You just have to know the command. Some basic scripting in JavaScript or Python. Other than that, you should know some basic graphic design. You should understand the basic terminology. That's all. Microsoft Office plus the basic terminology plus some scripting knowledge. That's all. You really don't need more than that. Again, the rest of the material you need depend on your job. For example, you are a server technician, then absolutely you should know how to fix a server. If you are a network technician, you should know how to troubleshoot the network. If you are a developer, you should know how to develop or how to debug or whatever. Again, because IT have hundreds and hundreds of jobs. So yeah, this is my answer. Again, it depends. I mean, everyone should know how to plus. I forgot, you should at least type at least 45 words per minute. At least 45 words per minute. If you cannot type nowadays, which I'm looking in the new generation, they are not fast typer. At least 45 words per minute. I hope this answered the question. Bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.